My name is Francisco Javier Montiel. I am professor for intercultural business communication at the Cajo Schule, and I am head of the program Intercultural Management and Communication. Well, the first that you have to know is that it is a management study. It's a management program, and it allows the students of this program, when they are done with the courses, to work actively in any areas of management in an international corporation.
The unique characteristic about the bachelor program, Intercultural Management and Communication, are especially the people that study here, because most of them already have a background experience in working in NGOs, doing a volunteer service in abroad, or having work experience in organizations. And that gives you a lot of opportunities to exchange these ideas and to develop your own horizon, what I want to do as a student in the future.
The intention of these study courses is exactly to prepare future managers to be able to cope with intercultural settings of transnational organizations in a new way, not understanding any more cultures as containers, but much more with this point of view that cultures are open networks where our lives takes place, more or less. Yeah, okay, so the general idea of almost every bachelor program at the Cajo Schule is to building up in a special way